You're going to get through all 200?
Yep.
Okay,
Rule
Lisa,
nope.
just zip it
No
right
talking.
now.
No
Pull a
talking.
chair
Okay.
and sit back.
I'm afraid to even breathe.
I know.
Okay, and this
She's
is
not going to get through it because
a list that
we're gonna
someone
keep
else
fun.
has written, so there are comments in here that are from the other person, not from me. Ruled notebook paper, I hate to throw it away, but I never use it, donate it. Placemats, napkins, tablecloths that never get displayed. Hole punch you never use. Plants, yes. Plants that don't brighten your spirits, buy ones that do. Coasters that go unused. Broken clocks. Old sports equipment from days gone by. Kitchen knives no one uses. Old baby gear that you no longer need. Great donation item if you don't want to sell it. Unused picture frames. Spare change laying around. Take it to the bank. Dull or duplicate pocket knives. Old wallets. Outdated computer software. It's everywhere. Used ink cartridges, recycle them for a little money back. Old fortune cookie fortunes, they're in every drawer I've gone into. Someone keeps the good ones, don't they? Old cell phones, recycle. Extra folders, binders, labels, etc. Address labels, do you ever really use them? And while I'm at it, those little free
I use them all the time.
things that you get, like a notepad with like the
Right.
realtors, it's like 10 sheets of paper.
Yeah.
Please,
Get
people.
back to your list. Go.
Plastic children's plates, cups that they've outgrown, damaged stained clothing, scarves you never wear, gifts you don't love, extra photo prints, dried flowers, one earring, hair accessories you don't use, ugly and old T-shirts, dried up super glue,
What?
dried up super glue or
Every
any
drawer has that.
yeah, those like Elmer glue sticks. Fireworks that are unused. They can be soaked in water overnight, then disposed of in a plastic bag. Lawn and garden pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers you won't use. Rusty tools you'll never use. Extra pencil sharpeners. You only need one. Dry erase markers without a board and a board without dry erase markers. Emergency sewing kits. Oh my gosh. Remotes, that was me. Remotes that have no purpose. Calculators. Phones have them, please. Instruction manuals. Most are online now. Clothes that make you feel ugly. Instruments you've given up on years ago. Christmas ornaments that aren't lovely or sentimental. They're junk. People don't save them.
Get rid of your skinny jeans? Is that what I just heard?
I didn't hear that.
No.
He's
Clo-
making
clothes-
things up.
Clothes that make you look ugly.
Christmas ornaments that aren't lovely or sentimental, please. Catalogs, purses, duffel bags, luggage that you don't use. Piles of scrap paper, there it is. Old boombox, CDs unless you use them regularly. Fancy serving bowls you haven't used in the last year, use them or sell them. Stockings with runs in them. Unused vases, old textbooks, puzzle books you don't use, business cards. Business cards, Andrew. Touristy knickknacks, please, not the snow globe shakers that the water dries up, and that was me. Gift cards, go and enjoy them. Loyalty cards, oh my gosh. Paper plates, use them up. Craft supplies for project that's already been completed. You don't need the quarter bin of crap left over. Chip clips, twisty ties, oh, extra bubble wrap. Am I the only one that has a supply? Hats you don't wear or that you shouldn't wear. Notes and gifts from old romances. People, please. Broken Christmas lights. And in every drawer, I find the 3 little replacement Christmas bulbs. They're in
Stay on task. Go.
every house. Nobody ever has them.
Squirrel.
Phone books. Excess decks of cards. Posters you'll never display again. Magnets. Oh, my gosh. Worn out flip-flops. Old sunglasses. Old prescription glasses. Take out chopsticks. Please. Hair products you don't use, stickers from a previous yard sale, extra shoelaces, unused sticky notes, tissue paper gift bags, travel brochures, old invitations. Why? Puzzles, a box of Christmas cards and there's only one card left. Use it or throw it away, please, or recycle it. Goodie bag toys from previous birthday parties, they're crap. Markers without lids and lids without markers, they're dried out. Completed coloring books, why would you save that? Near empty bottles of bubbles or little nubs of sidewalk chalk, please. Paperweights, combination locks, chances are slim you'll use one again, but if you do a lot. Multiple bookmarks, random batteries, lotions, face washes, serums you don't use. I don't know, carabiner. What's that? How am I pronouncing that wrong?
Carabiner.
Thank you. Lanyards, keys you don't know what they go to, drawers and drawers of them, push
one of
pins,
those.
recipe books, keychains, promotional swag, extra USB flash drives. How many do you need? Unloved dog toys, air freshener, those plugins that don't have refills, stress balls, travel alarm clock, staple remover. No one uses those. Expired sunscreen. That's important. It's not going to work if it's expired. Mason jars, candles. Ew, disgusting. They have dirt and dust in them, and sometimes there's dead bugs in them. Old day planners, duplicate measuring cups, half-used chapstick containers, unloved stuffed animals, hard candy. You're not sure where it came from, how long it's been in your purse. Get rid of it. Oh, people carry
Come
their
on, go.
old dental
Squirrel,
things.
come on, go,
Old
go.
teeth whitening, rarely used cake pans, cookie cutters, duplicate kitchen items. Oh, that's no problem. Belts that no longer fit are worn or out of style organizers you bought to get organized, but you don't use. Expired coupons, miscellaneous ribbons or strings, old phone covers, tape measures, games that you haven't played in the last year, samples of any kind, boxes, shoe boxes, diaper boxes, cereal boxes, travel mugs, highlighters, curling irons, crimpers, straighteners, please. More earbuds than you've got family members, multiple pairs of scissors, bags from the mall you might use one day. Movies you'll never watch again, unidentified frozen objects, old calendars, extra buttons, 2 small kids' clothes, watering cans, flower pots, cleaning supplies, holiday decor you never remember to set out. Thanksgiving, please. Old Christmas cards from your family, old wedding favors, old party supplies, kids' old art projects, screws, nuts, bolts, all that crap. Why do people save it?
Because you might need it.
That little wrench in the bottom of everybody's kitchen.
What?
Their kitchen
The little
sink.
Allen wrenches. Oh, that one.
That's to clear the garbage disposal.
No. your
Nobody
garbage disposal.
needs that.
No,
Everybody,
yes, you do.
Nobody uses
Yes,
it.
you
Nobody needs
do.
it. People pack it. Tell me why next break. Whiteout bottles, unneeded notebooks, things you bought and haven't returned, clothes that are 2 sizes too small, makeup you'll try one day or it was a sample and you're never going to use it, ticket stubs, extra pillows, expired medicine, old newspapers, matches you never use, stretch out hair ties, paychecks older than 2 years, old bills, unused plastic containers, extra sets of bed linens, extension cords, old towels that make you cringe when you look at them, unused perfume and cologne,
Countdown
rugs,
clock's up.
expired food in your freezer, jewelry you don't wear, recalled baby items, dried up nail polishes, games with missing pieces, bobby pins, duplicate power cords, old spices, plastic cutlery, old sneakers, outdated counter drugs and vitamins, old greeting cards, takeout menus, tea light candles,
There's the music.
cleaning, unloved toys, old technology, books you've never used, cups, mugs, socks, bills, old paint, ugly undergarments, old emery boards. Yes, magazines, half-finished products, expired makeup, plastic hangers from the store, hangers from the dry cleaners, old product boxes. Don't keep the boxes. You're not going to use them when you move. Done.
Wow. I feel like
Wow.
I history.
This is Mighty House. Mighty
got a
House
sore
will
throat.
return.
That was impressive.